carry stories older than time. Islands rising like jewels in the deep blue. Voices of Micronesia echo with warmth, smiles that shine brighter than the sun. Culture woven in every wave, every palm, every song, every heart. This is the spirit of the island, golden sunrise on the ocean wide. Children laughing by the palm tree side, stories carried on the island breeze. Micronesian hearts bring the world to ease. With every smile, the spirit shines. Culture deep like the coral line. Voices rising strong and free. Island soul in harmony. Micronesia, land of light. Warm embrace through day and night. From the waves to the starry skies, your beauty lives in every smile. Canoes sailing on a turquoise sea. Songs of ancestors guiding me. Dance of fire, rhythm in the sand. Unity across this sacred land. With every smile, the spirit shines. Culture deep like the coral lines. Voices rising strong and free. Island soul in harmony. Micronesia, land of light. Warm embrace through day and night. From the waves to the starry skies, your beauty lives in every smile. Oh, the islands call my name. Different lands, but hearts the same. From reef to shore, we stand as one. Micronesia shines like the sun. Yo, hey, I'm shouting out the islands, let the world know. Federated States of Micronesia, watch our culture glow. Palau with the spirit, strong and proud. Kiribati voices singing loud. Marshall Islands, waves rolling free. Norris stand tall with history. And Guam, the pride, the island flame. Micronesia united, we rise in name. Micronesia, land of light. Warm embrace today and night. From the waves to the starry skies, your beauty lives in every smile. With every smile, the spirit shines. Culture deep like the coral lines. Voices rising strong and free. Island soul in harmony. Micronesia, land of light. Warm embrace through day and night. From the waves to the starry skies, your beauty lives in every smile. Micronesia, land of light. Warm embrace